Look, that car in front is smoking. It's smoking. Hey, what's going on? Burnout? Hey, that doesn't seem right. This is burning oil, isn't it? Damn. I can't even see the road ahead. There's a bend. You should quickly stop and take a look now. It's gonna catch fire soon. Now the first car is overtaking. We still have a car behind us. Now they're also getting ready to overtake them. But now we've entered the bend. The lines have become solid. Look, he's still trying to overtake, and then stop the car. The traffic is quite heavy now. There's already a traffic jam. So we should just line up one after another and pass through like this. We shouldn't try to overtake at times like this. And don't cut in line either. At this moment, there's a car behind. It actually overtook in the wrong direction to cut in line. Do you think the video owner's actions were right or wrong? Look, this place on the right is under construction. Oh, and look at this. Blocked off. We have already moved to the innermost lane. There's T-shaped so much space on the outside. The worry in this situation is the weather car will suddenly is a bit foggy. Visibility is but I got careless just after the car. Look, I didn't see this semi-trailer. It's a good thing I thought it was safe ahead. If I hadn't turned, then we followed. I might have a close call. Look at this kind of mouse situation before, and it's downhill. You must remember there are also no matter the cars on either side of these kinds of bends. As long as you see the brake lights come on, there's an electric. You must pay attention. We've already seen the car in front, so we move to the inside. Now the brake lights are on. Something's happening. Beep, beep. You see, especially at intersections. Looks like the handbrake everyone must pay attention. Relying completely can easily happen if you're not careful. This guy probably saw someone get out of the car in front. He wanted to laugh. Turns out the owner forgot to put on the handbrake. There are no cars, and this guy even helped him push not the car. Not a single car. But this lane is for buses. Don't let your grudges harm me. I don't know if we're allowed to figure it out yourselves. As a result, scared. As soon as I just want to see which one of you is more powerful. Oh my God! Look at that! Immediately screwed me over. Those two big brothers looking behind me. That car on the left is really superior. It's obvious the car on the left. He couldn't hold back. Huh? Car ahead. Watch, it's making a U-turn right here in the middle lane. I just want to ask, from what we see right now, can you make a U-turn here? He's going straight. If you get hit, it's really not unfair at all. He just suddenly put on his turn signal. As soon as he signals, he starts to change lanes. Oh my God. This way of changing lanes isn't right either. He can't drive. This is really starting from the green light at the intersection. At this moment, look, there is a car on the right. It also turned over. We're going straight. He turns right. He should have let us go. But look, he's just squeezing us. This car is pretty good. But look at how unhappy he looks. Look, he's even sticking his head out. I don't know what he's muttering about. But even though I can't hear him, I think everyone should understand. I guess this guy is cursing us in his heart for driving such a nice car. It's a bit of a mismatch with your demeanor. It's a foggy day. The visibility is probably only around 100 meters. Probably not even that. You have to be careful in this kind of place. Keep a safe following distance. Oh, if someone were to drive the wrong way, I think he's going to be busy. I wouldn't be surprised. He didn't block the road. But look at this guy. We can still go on the left. Driving the wrong way, he's carrying so much cargo. How bold is he? I don't know if he's secured it properly. That pay attention at the intersection ahead. He probably went no traffic careless here. So careless. And you must immediately very carefully. There was also an electric bike coming the highway. He started reversing. You guys. That small car, a lot of traffic cones here on the left. Everyone, please pay attention. There's probably road construction at these highway junctions. And then there are many large trucks on the right. Must not be too close. At this moment, look at the car in 3 lanes. What kind of cargo is it carrying? Look at the vehicles ahead. Suddenly signaled a turn, and the road ahead changed to the right. But the driver still didn't react. Look, he's changing lanes to the right as well. As a result, he scraped the side of the truck. Couldn't you just put up a traffic cone in a situation like this? The speed wasn't fast either. It wouldn't be damaged either. You install. Like this, you change lanes to the right. There's a truck here. Otherwise,
really must
the
put your
consequences
life
might
first.
be like this. Why would you change lanes to the right? This is a lack of experience in driving on the highway. It's all good. Plus, as long as no one is hurt enough. That's watch out, an old man is coming. Let's look at this next one. Is he trying to scam me? Ahead, or we're preparing to turn There's no sun today. Then a young man on an electric bike You're wearing sunglasses. Wow, he's carrying Are you afraid of being recognized? In this situation, maybe you should car owners can't really selling this car. Jealous and get out of here to an electric bike. It's a rainy day. Look, there's a car. We are driving on the highway. We're crossing right now. Our car is on the line, but I didn't expect the car to say about the responsibility. You just drove straight. There is a car in front on the right with its hazard lights on. It looks like there's been a breakdown. But wait, that's not right. This guy's going the wrong way. You wouldn't believe it. This guy actually has some safety awareness. He's even thinking of turning on his hazard lights while going the wrong way. Some drivers at intersections are waiting for the red light, and some drivers at intersections are not waiting for the red light. What's he waiting for? He's actually looking for cameras. Look at this guy waiting at the red light for ages. He just left without waiting. Oh, here we go again. After all that, look, I guess he's looking to see if there are any cameras. So you think you're something special just because you drive a nice car? The two cars on the right can't wait. This is going to be a scrape. Getting ready to Can you even blame me? Look, I'm not responsible for this. He's overtaking definitely his fault. This van can't wait here. Our video car owner is also preparing to overtake. When he got to look at the rearview mirror, hey, this little guy have to look at. Don't think just because you drive a nice car that people will watch out. The father hadn't seen it. A father really hard and son crossing the road. Passing the first quickly slow down. Another crosswalk ahead. We were going pretty slow, actually. You don't think so? When we were about to pass, look at this electric bike. It just came rushing out. Couldn't you at least look? The green light is on ahead. See, it's already starting to flash. That green light is already flashing. A left turn light ahead and a vehicle going straight on the other side. Both are trying to make the green light. The last few seconds. See, they're racing. Now they're going to cause an accident. Even though the green light is flashing, you can still go through, but don't rush it. You must pay attention. On the highway, there's another car ahead, about to miss the exit. Emergency lane change here at the exit. Look, look, look. That black car almost rear-ended. But luckily, the black car's skills are still pretty good. The driver had no avoided the collision directly. He could only choose to crash. But this emergency lane change is very dangerous. He broke 8 trees. Almost got us in trouble. The driver in front. Look ahead, this car is using high beams. Let's see what he doesn't turn them off. The two of them turned on must slow down. But now the light in front, the male driver's car flashes these high beams at us again. Let's see, they've both right on the right. These cars. What are those two doing? Almost Why are they switching again? Pay attention. Is something else Our speed happening? Is a little fast. Which of you is driving? At this moment, can we hurry up and go? Road on the left. It's another red light. Suddenly a car comes still over. Waiting. Look at this car turning left. This driver probably has bad eyesight. Good heavens, what's with his eyesight? How did he even get up there? There's water all over the ground. They're all its marks. His water tank is probably broken. Pay attention, there's a car in front of me. He's going to turn left. Now he's starting to turn left. Turned on the turn signal. A car came from the opposite direction. Oh my God, oh my God. Just flipped him over. There's a truck stopped. I don't know what that driver opposite is doing. The truck behind it, he must have been going distracted. He actually saw it around time ago. He could have found a car stopped in front. It was really close to hitting it. When crossing the road, everyone don't be in a hurry. We shouldn't run a red light and go through a green light. What's going on? We shouldn't run either. You can't just run across. Look at this elderly couple crossing the street. Similarly, look at this child. He's also running across the street. Our speed isn't very high right now. If we were going faster, this child would have been hit. Look, look. He suddenly pops out. A ghost peek. This situation is very dangerous. Parents must tell their children. Let's take a look at what's going on here. The car owner is really upset, preparing to turn right at the crosswalk. There's an electric bike, and it's a delivery guy. Hey, what's the meaning of this? The delivery guy didn't using his turn signal. And and there's
Holy
still
shit.
so much distance.
Holy shit.
He just
Holy
gets
shit.
out and blocks
There's
us.
really nothing
not
we can
letting
do.
us pass.
Our car honked.
Now you all know why
I thought he
deliveries
would
are always
respond,
late. I didn't
right?
expect him
On
to
the
care so
highway,
little about
pay
our
attention
lives. But
for
this
this
next
bus
time we
driver, as we're
encounter
about
this
to
is
pass.
really
He
irresponsible.
suddenly
He still
changes
has
lanes
brakes on his bus. Let's take a look at the left lane ahead. This driver is really asking for it. Driving along just fine. He's in the left lane. Our driver is in the right lane. You think he's driving while fatigued? Watch him change lanes in a bit. He even put on his turn signal. You don't think he's driving while fatigued? He actually didn't see us. See, he signaled and is starting to change lanes. When changing lanes, they realized it was because they were nervous. Lost control of the steering wheel, resulting in the vehicle rolling over. This can't be our fault, right? This is entirely his own problem. Okay, let's take a look here. The sun is glaring ahead. Well, there's nothing I can do. Go through this tunnel below. Our car owner suddenly can drive like this. Oh Actually,
my goodness.
he's already doing his
You think
best.
there's a problem with
Started
the road
at
design?
the green light at the
Or did our
intersection.
driver really not
We're
notice?
in the left lane.
I guess it's
We're going
probably
straight
that the
and turning
sunlight
left.
is too glaring.
No problem.
The driver might
When
not
we're
have
going
opened their
through
eyes.
this intersection.
Just
pretty
as we
big
were
when
about
it
to go
rains.
through. Our driver
car
is
on the
also
left
going
side
very
came
fast.
against the traffic
Pay
and
attention
tried to cut
after
us
we
off.
come over. A car
Wow,
suddenly
buddy.
came out from
You're
the
really
right
good
here.
at driving.
Our driver
You're
is
so
flustered.
awesome.
Why
Quickly
don't you
step
just
on
go
the
against
brakes.
traffic on the left? Right? Let's take a look here. The car owner was surrounded by cars on both sides. Ouch! As a result, he was hit by the car on the left. It was right for our car owner not to yield. If he changes lanes and hits someone, that's going to be a problem. The responsibility is very clear. It's definitely that white car in front and to the left. It's his responsibility for changing lanes. As the saying goes, it's really slippery on
not
those.
lane.
If you yield, the responsibility might be yours. Watch out in front, there's a car turning. Oh my goodness. Buddy, are you doing this on purpose or what? It's not even raining. The road isn't slippery. You can drive like this on a sunny day? You're definitely trying to drift on purpose, aren't you? This is different. You see, it's very obvious that it's slippery from the rain. The car in front lost control on the curve. At times like this, we should try to slow down, especially when it's raining. In these curves, you especially need to pay attention to the dashed and solid lines on the road.